and gentlemen, welcome to AdSync Dubai presents Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2K24. Telecast partner, CNN News 18, powered by Touchwood. Co-powered by B. Kandhari Group. Marketing partner, Be Incredible. Influencer partner, Break. And our automobile partner, Navneet Motors and Navneet Group. Ladies and gentlemen, we are very excited to celebrate your success, to celebrate all the achievements you've had. Let's get started. Here is the most awaited moment. Gives us a huge honor, ladies and gentlemen, to welcome our diva. She's won hearts of everyone right from Koi Mere Dil Se Pooche, which was her debut, for which she won the prestigious Filmfare Award. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the moment as we have the supremely beautiful and talented Isha Diol joining us here to present the prestigious AdSync Dubai's Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2K24.
So I'm really happy to be here to present the awards to all of you and my best wishes.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Best Marketing Campaign of the Year. And the award goes to Golden Willows, Hiranandani Fortune City, Panvel. Heartfelt congratulations. Our Head of Marketing, Mr. Shumon Das, to kindly join us here, along with the lovely team who's here. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the iconic new developments of the year. Kanakia Beverly Heights by Kanakia Group, Mr. Sohil Mehta and Disha Limbachia. Heartfelt congratulations, ladies and gentlemen. Let's put our hands together. The innovative real estate marketing campaign of the year. Chanda Group, may we kindly welcome Miss Deepanvita Mundul, our marketing manager, and Miss Fiza Halai. Ladies and gentlemen, and the developer of the year residential. The award goes to VTP Realty. Please join me in congratulating Mr. Brajesh B. Chirath, International and ROI Head, VTP Realty. Congratulations. The Young Achievers Award, Real Estate. Kumar Gaurav, and the award goes to Kalpatru. The Best Emerging Developers of the Year, A2O Realty. Ladies and gentlemen, we're truly humbled to have our Managing Director, Mr. Arif Fazlani, here with us.
Thank you so much. This is with the blessings of our parents, and I'm very happy. Thank you so much. Thank you.
For the most trustworthy brand of the year, Kamal Raj Group, Mr. Mohan Thorat and Pratibha Thoraji. Presenting Excellence in Delivery of the Year, Raghav Realty. And congratulate Mr. Sudhanshu Agarwal, promoter, Raghav Realty.
The award given to us is Excellence in Delivery, and it takes, once you deliver a project, it's so fulfilling to you, but the moment you get this award, it's even more fulfilling. Thank you very much.
The Developer of the Year, Luxury. And the award goes to Kabra Group. With us is our director, Mr. Vaibhav Kabra. Presenting Consultant of the Year 2K24. Let's put our hands together and congratulate B. Gandhari Group. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Emerging Brand of the Year, Yogi. May we please welcome Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, the Managing Director, Yogi Limited, here on stage. Let's put our hands together. The Luxury Affordable Developer of the Year. And the winner is Regency Nirman Limited. May we please kindly welcome Mr. Sanjay Goyal, Director of Regency Nirman Limited. The awards for design excellence. And the award goes to Earth One by VTP Lux. May we please welcome Mr. Brajesh B. Chirath, International and ROI Head. As we present Excellence in Delivery. Please join me in congratulating Sumit Group. Let's welcome Head of Marketing and Branding Operations for Sumit Group, Ms. Amrita Jangir, and the gentleman with her. The Quality Assurance Award. And the award goes to Motwani Builders. May we please welcome Mr. Kanayo Khubchand Motwani, Managing Director, Mr. Deepak Motwani, Director.
Thanks for inviting us at this ceremony. I've been working for last 58 years in Mumbai, Navi Mumbai and Bangalore, and always believe only in quality construction.
Presenting the best redevelopment project, Cabra Tiara. May we please welcome the cluster head, Cabra Tiara, Ms. Nehal Menon, and Mr. Ganesh Pujari, Cabra Tiara sales head.
So expect the best quality development in the western suburbs in the near future. You're going to see and hear a lot from us. Thank you, everyone.
Presenting the Real Estate Most Enterprising Realtor of the Year, Stars Aligned Realty Private Limited. Let's congratulate Mr. Saurabh Birla, Chairman Managing Director, Stars Aligned Realty Private Limited. Congratulations to you, Saurabh. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Veteran Real Estate Influencer. Let's congratulate Mr. Rafiq Merchant and unke do anmol ratan. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting India's leading developer of serviced living, student housing and blue-collared housing. And the award goes to Sensation Group. Dr. Bhavishya Gupta, Founder and Managing Director, to kindly join us here. Congratulations, sir. Come on, ladies and gentlemen, let's give him a loud round of applause. Presenting the fastest growing real estate consultant of the year. Let's give it up, ladies and gentlemen, for VV Mansions India Limited. Mr. Vijay Mirani, Chairman, Managing Director and Chief Mentoring Officer. The best upcoming 5-star resort. And the winner is West Village, Pauna Lake by A2O Hotel and Resorts. Let's give it up one more time for Mr. Arif Fazlani, the Managing Director. And both the beautiful ladies and the gentlemen, let's give it up for West Village. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Real Estate Company of the Year. May we all please put our hands together and congratulate Aman Estates. Mr. Aman Dekha, the director. Let's give it up for our Emerging Luxury Project of the Year. And this project is at Union Park, Bandra. Mr. Ghanshyam Patel, the Managing Director, Yogi Limited. We present the most preferred Resort for destination weddings. And the winner is Mysore Club and Resort. Amazing, congratulations. Mr. Sirish Joshi, Director, Mysore Club and Resort, and Dr. Chandrasekhar Jain, Wedding Organizer, Mysore Club and Resort.
For everyone, for Mysore Club and Resort, we will provide top best destination service in our Palghar near Mumbai. Thank you.
Let's give it up for Marketer of the Year 2K24, and the winner is B. Kandari Group. Congratulations to B. Kandari Group for the Marketer of the Year. The Best Innovation Award for 2024. Let's give it up for Equamark Connect. Mr. Garcia Gonçalves, founder and CEO of Equamark Connect. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the best expertise in manufacturing ceramic sanitary wares. And the award goes to Aquatop Ceramic. Congratulations to Naimish Adisara, the Managing Director. As we present Excellence in Delivery and Design. And the award goes to Sarva Pratham Developers, Nasik. Let me please kindly request Mr. Anand Khattar, the Chairman of Sarva Pratham Developers.
I'm super excited to be here, and thank you so much for this award. It's an honor and privilege. Thank you, everyone. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Emerging Real Estate Influencer, Miss Malita Fernandez, the Emerging Real Estate Influencer. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting the Best Planned Project in Affordable Sector by Kamal Raj Estate. Congratulations to Kamal Raj Akshardham Charholi. Chovisa Bari is the place, and I can see the entire family joining us here. Let's put hands together for Kamlesh Gandhi and Mrs. Arjun Gandhi.
Thank you very much for acknowledging us. We're from Pune, and it's a great honor to receive an award in Mumbai. Thanks. Thank you very much.
Presenting the Affordable Developer of the Year. Let's give it up for Rustagi Estate Private Limited. Mr. Ramjeet Sanjay Gupta, the Director, to kindly join us here to receive the award, please. The most trusted real estate brokerage firm. And the award goes to Global Infrastructure and Advisory Service. Mr. Pramod Pari, CEO, Mrs. Alan Christin, Head HR, Mr. Sachin Hira, Project Head, and Mr. Dharmendra Kumar, Project Head. Ladies and gentlemen, and the CEO of the Year award goes to Mr. Sachin Bhandari, Executive Director and CEO, VTB Realty.
VTP Realty is the #1 brand in Pune. We are a 4,000 crore company, and I would urge through this platform all the channel partners from Mumbai, please come and taste the magic of VTP Realty. Thank you so much.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Emerging PropTech Company of the Year, and the award goes to SPIM Innovations Private Limited. Harsha Sankisa, the Director, and both the gentlemen from SPIM Innovations Private Limited. For for the Best Distinguished Builder at Bandra, Santa Cruz and Carl. Let's give it up for L. Nagpal Builders. Mr. Raju Nagpal, the founder, Vinayak Nagpal, partner, and Krishna Nagpal, partner.
Thank you so much for this award. This award is actually true in its way. We have more than 5 projects going on in that micro market and a lot more coming up next year. Thank you so much.
Presenting the best expertise in SRA Projects Mumbai. Sayog Homes Private Limited. Mr. Yogesh Jadhav, founder director, to kindly join us here, please. Ladies and gentlemen, the best expertise in legal licensing and PMC consultant in housing society redevelopment, Savant Associates. Congratulations, Nilesh Savant and Mr. Ranjit Savant. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting excellence in farmland development and management. And the winner is Mango Folks by Konkan Estate. May we please congratulate Mr. Harsh Rawat, Director, and Mr. Ganesh Gokhale, the Director.
At this moment, I would like to share that we are launching our 4th phase within the span of this last 12 months. And so we really want to thank our customer who have for placing their trust on our brand and becoming a community member of 124 Acres. Thank you so much.
The best entertaining influencer. Both of them were incredible. The memes of real estate, ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for the memes of real estate. Vishal Rochlani and Sachin Banjarani. Congratulations. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting South Mumbai's emerging premier real estate agency, where trust meets excellence. May we please congratulate Value Properties. Mr. Amit Gara, Value Properties is the winner.
Just a couple of words from my end that I really want to thank my team, Value Properties, each and everyone in my team who have really contributed, put in the sweat and all the man hours, and which is why we are here. My family for always supporting me, and of course I cannot forget, but all our esteemed customers who gave us the opportunity for representing them. Thank you so much.
For the best quality and architectural design, and the winner is Cabra Embrace, Miss Bhagyashri Gawali, our marketing head.
I'm truly honored to take this award today on behalf of Cabra. And Cabra, as the tagline says, work speaks, so I'll not speak much. And yes, we really deserve this, the quality and work.
The real estate journalist extraordinaire, and the award goes to Vishal Bhargava. Congratulations. The real estate event innovator of the year, and it goes to Be Incredible, Miss Vinita Tiwani and Sam Sheikh, the founders of Be Incredible.
We'd like to thank everybody, and especially Mr. Pinto. And I think to everybody who's here in this hall today, like most of us are our clients, and I think we are here because they support us truly. So thank you, everyone.
Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the luxury project of the year, Assets Property Group, and congratulate Mr. Sunil Pari. And this luxury project of the year is for Assets 66 and Shibui.
Assets is based out of Bangalore. Many may be familiar, many are not. We are like top 5 developers in Bangalore. We are built or under developing 25,000 homes. So it's a pretty big platform. Thank you so much, and thanks, Isha. You've added grace to the stage in this.
The Emerging Property Consultant of the Year goes to 7 Dimensions Realty, Miss Jayashree Agarwal, Founder and Director. Congratulations. The most trustworthy real estate brand of the year, Multi-Space Developers Private Limited, Mr. Mihir Patel. Congratulations. And the best developer of the year for luxury project, Bhutani Infra. May we please welcome our COO, Bhutani Infra, Mr. Ali Chakti.
Well, the year started on a big note with us winning the Film City, the prestigious Film City project, and then taking over WTC. Now we are entering Goa and Mumbai soon, so looking for possible collaborations with you all.
The most innovative and emerging real estate brand of the year, MAI, Megalopolis Area Infracon LLP, Mr. Ravindra Yadav, to kindly join us here on stage. For the brand of the year, real estate, to Assets Property Group, Bangalore, Mr. Sunil Parikh. Presenting, ladies and gentlemen, the best marketing agency in real estate sector. May we please give it up for KD Kingdom Group, Mr. Rajat Singh, the Managing Director, and our lovely lady.
Thank you so much. This is a very proud moment for us. We would like to thank our clients.
The best salon chain India, Postquam. May we please welcome Anita More, the promoter and the director for Joe Claw Olivia Spanish Luxury Salon. Let's put hands together and congratulate the budding digital creator. Do it all with Dhanraj, Mr. Dhanraj Mayatra. The real estate branding and the social media marketing leadership, Mesh Entertainment, Mrs. Eshmeet Luharuka and Mr. Pratik Luharuka. Presenting the sales and marketing trailblazer in the world of real estate, Blitzkrieg Company. Congratulations, Mr. Pankaj Narang, CEO, and Priyanka Narang, CEO. Presenting the #1 luxury product for hair and skin in India, Postquam Spanish Beauty #1 luxury products. May we please welcome Mr. Abu Mohammad Mustahafiz. Adsing Dubai thanks each and every one of you for joining us here at the prestigious Real Estate and Business Excellence Awards 2K24. Thank you very much. Love you all. God bless and a global namaste.